celebrating 13 years of relentless perfection pursuit. Chief Dr. Innocent Chukwuma, CON, the founder of Nigeria, first indigenous vehicle manufacturing company, Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing, is one man despite his humble background and born into an average family, choose not to be afraid of greatness and strive to achieve greatness in his lifetime. According to Wikipedia, on list of notable automobile manufacturers in Africa, Innoson Vehicles Manufacturing Company Limited is the only vehicle manufacturing company listed. This was made possible because one man chose to pursue his dreams. Innoson Vehicles did not just emerge from the blues. They weren't set up through fraudulent or unquestionable means. It started with a process. It started with a journey that passed through hard work and dedication, patience and determination, persistence and consistency. This journey was not easy at all. The journey that started when Innoson Nigeria Limited became the first indigenous company to fully assemble motorcycles in Nigeria, which reduced the prices of motorcycle from 150,000 naira to 80,000 naira. Afterwards, it established Innoson Technical, which started producing the plastic components of motorcycles and subsequently that of motor vehicles. Based on Innoson's experience in the production of some of the motor components, as well as his over 30 years experience as a dealer of automobile spare parts, he ventured into vehicle manufacturing, now known today as Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Company Limited, located in Nnewi, Anambra State. 13 years ago, October 15, 2010, the then President of Nigeria, Goodluck Jonathan GCFR, commissioned a 10,000 vehicle production capacity at the Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Plant, Nnewi. Within 2 years of establishing Innoson Vehicles, the then Governor of Anambra State, Mr. Peter Obi, ordered for 1,000 units of Innoson vehicles, which includes pickups, buses, and SUVs. The show of faith by Mr. Peter Obi was the trigger Innoson needed to show the durability and capacity of the Made in Nigeria vehicle. Today, the vehicles bought under the administration of Mr. Peter Obi are still being used by some traditional rulers, schools, as well as security agencies, proving the durability strength of Innoson Vehicles. For the past 13 years that Innoson Vehicles has been in existence, it has been the story of relentless pursuit of perfection. It has improved steadily on the quality of its vehicles by ensuring it gets feedback from the users of Innoson Vehicles to know their views on their IVM experience, and with these feedbacks, it sought better ways to improve on the tastes and preferences of its customers to suit the environment. Feedbacks from the users of Innoson Vehicles attest to the durability and high standards of the vehicles. Going forward, Innoson Vehicles has migrated from manual production to a fully automated production plant with a capacity to produce 60,000 units annually. Innoson Vehicle is on a mission to be a giant vehicle manufacturing company in Africa, in order to serve Africa vehicle needs by its current expansion efforts. 1. Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Plant, Naze Owerri, Imo State. Innoson Vehicles is currently setting up IVM CNG Conversion Center at Naze Owerri, Imo State. The IVM CNG Conversion Center is a state-of-the-art facility for the conversion and retrofitting of fuel diesel-powered vehicles to CNG LNG-powered vehicles. Innoson Vehicles has already acquired about 150,000 square meter land for this project, and construction works are ongoing. 2. Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Plant, Umuezena, Umudim, Nnewi, Anambra State. Innoson Vehicles is currently building its Nnewi factory expansion plant at Umuezena, Umudim, Nnewi. The extension plant is for the manufacturing of CNG LNG powered vehicles and heavy-duty vehicles. University of Nigeria, Nsukka, is constructing a 20 HP agricultural tractor manufacturing plant at the Lion Science Park, UNN. The tractor will be known as Lion IVM. 4. Expansion into African markets. Innoson Vehicles has expanded its vehicle supplies to other African countries such as Sierra Leone, Niger, Congo, Ghana, Mali, Côte d'Ivoire, and Burkina Faso. The company has concluded plans with the Sierra Leone government to establish an assembly plant in Freetown. Working relationship with the military. Innoson Vehicles is in partnership with the Nigerian Air Force for the development and promotion of joint activities to sustain the maintenance of the Nigerian Air Force air assets and other associated aerospace ground equipment, AGE, to enable the Nigerian Air Force to continuously carry out its constitutional obligations to the nation. Equally, we are in collaboration with the Nigerian Army Authority for the manufacture and supply of vehicles. Innoson Vehicles product lines. Innoson Vehicles, which started with the production of buses and pickups, has grown to multiple product lines of vehicles, which includes sedans, 1. Innoson Connect, 2. Innoson Caris, MPVs, 1. Innoson G20 Smart, 2. Innoson Ikenga, 3. Innoson Kappa, SUVs, 1. Innoson G5T, 2. Innoson G6T, 3. Innoson G40, 4. Innoson G80. Buses, 1. Innoson 5380. This is a 7 and 10 seater buses. 2. Innoson Siriki. This is a 14 plus 1 seater capacity bus. 3. Innoson 6540. This is a high roof 17 plus 1 seater capacity bus. 4. Innoson 6601. This is a 23 seater capacity medium bus. 5. Innoson 6800. This is a 33 seater capacity mini luxury bus. 6. Innoson 6875. This is a 50 seater urban transit bus. 7. Innoson 6155. This is a 55 plus 45 seater city bus. Pickup. 1. Innoson Carrier 4WD. 2. Innoson Granite 4WD. 3. Innoson Ijele 4WD. Special purpose vehicles includes 1. Innoson military vehicles, 2. Innoson medical ambulance, 3. Innoson garbage compactors, waste disposal vehicles, 4. Innoson fire trucks. More than a conqueror. Despite all the success recorded by Innoson Vehicles, little did we know there were major challenges Innoson Vehicles faced during the construction of Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Plant. Kidnapping of Chinese expatriates. During the construction phase of the plant, kidnappers invaded the factory premises to kidnap the chairman, but met his absence, and in his place, they kidnapped 2 Chinese expatriates and a Nigerian. The Nigerian was freed after ransom was paid. One of the Chinese was equally freed, while one died in the forest where they were kept. This particular incident caused a major distraction during the construction phase, but thank God that the chairman and the company were able to persevere through. Innoson versus GTB crisis. Also, during the construction phase of the vehicle manufacturing plant, about 40 containers belonging to Innoson, Nigeria, Limited containing motorcycle CKDs were illegally seized by the Nigerian customs. After much effort to see to its release, Innoson took Nigerian customs to court and won after a tough legal tussle. The trial court therefore ordered the Nigerian customs to pay Innoson the sum of 2.4 billion naira, being the cost of his goods and damages incurred. Furthermore, Innoson got a garnishee order from the court ordering GTB to pay the judgment debt of 2.4 billion naira to him. However, GTB refused to pay this money. GTB decided to cry more that the bereaved by appealing the court ruling on the garnishee to the Court of Appeal, Ibadan Division, and still lost it to Innoson. GTB, however, appealed to the Supreme Court. The dispute between Innoson and GTB did not just affect the construction phase of Innoson vehicles, it disrupted the smooth running of the factory operations as a result of the heavy distractions that came with it, including the illegal arrest of the chairman of Innoson Vehicles by the Nigerian police, as well as the EFCC. But despite all, Innoson came out stronger and won every case it had with GTB. Amid all these challenges, Innoson Vehicles has proven its unique ability to supply durable yet very affordable brand new vehicles, and its successful record in delivering within short notice makes it a brand of choice. In celebrating our 13 years of relentless pursuit of perfection, Innoson Vehicles appreciates the support and patronage from relevant stakeholders. The federal government of Nigeria, former President Goodluck Jonathan, GCFR, former President Muhammadu Buhari, GCFR President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR National Automotive Design and Development Council, NADDC, Bank of Industry, Standards Organization of Nigeria. To our key customers, such as ministries, departments and agencies of the government, state governments, private organizations, and individuals, we appreciate you for believing in us and having faith in us. We promise to keep improving our products and services. We acknowledge the fact that the biggest room in the world is room for improvement. Innoson Vehicles will continue to improve steadily till it becomes one of the best automobile companies in the world. The success stories of Innoson Vehicles in this past 13 years has shown that Innoson Vehicles is not about the story of the man, Innoson, but the story that Nigeria can now manufacture vehicles on its own that can be supplied to the African continent. Innoson Vehicles is a reminder of the fact that whatever that is wrong with Nigeria can be corrected by what is right in Nigeria. Innoson Vehicle, the pride of African